Here is a direct, engaging script tailored for a 6 to 8 minute video, roughly 900 to 1,200 words at a natural, conversational speaking pace of 130 to 150 words per minute. It adopts Susie Orman's signature direct, empowering, and protective tone, focused on security, peace of mind, and financial clarity. Look at me. If you are retired, or if you are standing on the very edge of retirement looking into the next chapter of your life, I want to ask you a serious question. Why are you still waiting by the mailbox for a paper check? Why are you leaving the safety of your hard-earned money to chance? I see this all the time. People reach retirement, and they stick to old habits because those habits feel familiar. You've been receiving paper checks or managing payments a certain way for 30, 40 years. But let me be as clear as I can possibly be. In today's world, relying on paper checks for your Social Security, your pension, or your retirement distributions is not just outdated. It is a risk you do not need to take. Think about the fear that creeps in every single month. Is the check going to be late? Did it get lost in the mail? What happens if you want to go visit your grandkids for 2 weeks, but you're trapped at home because you're waiting on a check that needs to be taken to the bank? That is not financial freedom. You worked your entire life to enjoy your retirement, not to be held hostage by a delivery schedule. And then there's the security aspect. Paper checks get stolen out of mailboxes every single day. Identity theft among retirees is at an all-time high. Why would you leave your vital income sitting in an unlocked plastic box on the side of the road? You wouldn't leave a stack of $100 bills sitting on your front porch, so why leave your pension check there? This is where BluPeak Credit Union comes in, and this is why setting up direct deposit with them is one of the most important, simple steps you can take today to protect your financial peace of mind. When you set up direct deposit with BluPeak, your money doesn't travel through the mail. It doesn't sit in a truck. It moves electronically, securely, and instantly straight into your account. On the day your payment is due, the money is there. Rain or shine. Whether you are at home, traveling the country, or relaxing with family. It gives you absolute control, total convenience, and above all, safety. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. You're asking yourself, Susie, isn't setting up direct deposit complicated? I'm not a tech genius, and I don't want to mess up my Social Security or pension payments. I hear you. But I want you to take a deep breath, because setting up direct deposit with BluPeak Credit Union is far easier than you think, and you are entirely capable of doing it today. You do not need to be a computer expert. You just need a few basic pieces of information, and I am going to walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step. Here is your actionable takeaway. Grab a pen and paper right now, because this is your checklist. First, you need 2 specific numbers from BluPeak Credit Union. You need your BluPeak routing number, which is the 9-digit number that identifies the credit union, and you need your specific BluPeak account number, whether that's your checking or savings account. You can find these numbers easily at the bottom of a BluPeak paper check, on your monthly statement, inside your online banking portal, or by simply walking into a BluPeak branch or calling their customer service line. Do not guess these numbers. Double-check them. Precision matters when it comes to your money. Second, figure out who is paying you. For most of you watching this, it will be the Social Security Administration, a former employer handling your pension, or an investment firm managing your annuity or 401k distributions. If it's Social Security, you have 3 super easy ways to set this up. Option 1, you can go directly to ssa.gov and log into your My Social Security account. Right there in your profile settings, you can update your payment details with your BluPeak routing and account numbers. Option 2, you can call the Social Security Administration directly by phone, give them your BluPeak details, and they will update it for you over the phone. Option 3, you can walk right into your local BluPeak Credit Union branch. The wonderful staff there will actually help you fill out the direct deposit form and guide you through the process so you know it's done right. If you are setting up direct deposit for a private pension or retirement distribution, contact your plan administrator or HR department. Ask them for their direct deposit authorization form. You will fill in your name, your BluPeak routing number, and your account number, sign it, and hand it back to them. Sometimes they might ask for a voided check from your BluPeak account just to verify the details. Now, here is a critical piece of advice that I need you to listen to very carefully. Do not close any old bank accounts until you see the first direct deposit land safely in your BluPeak account. It usually takes 1 to 2 payment cycles for a new direct deposit setup to officially take effect. So keep your old account open just for a month or two as a bridge. Once you log into your BluPeak account and see your Social Security or pension deposit sitting safely right there, then, and only then, do you clear out and close the old account. People, taking control of your financial life isn't just about how much money you have saved, it is about how safely and efficiently you manage what you have. Setting up direct deposit with BluPeak Credit Union removes unnecessary stress, protects your income from theft or loss, and gives you back your time. Don't wait until Monday. Don't put this off until next month. Gather your account numbers today, make that call or log online, and put your income on automatic pilot. You have earned the right to enjoy a peaceful, secure retirement. Stand up, take action, and protect your money.